The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has issued an alert for an asteroid on the trajectory of the Earth. At its current speed and distance, it is difficult to find its size. Please stay tuned to radio and television services, or keep a mobile device that supports alerts with you. This warning is an amendment to the previous. We now know that the asteroid will crash into the Pacific Ocean. Hawaii is being evacuated as we speak. If you live on the western coast, move as far east as possible. Predicted ETA until hit is 2 days. If you are unable to evacuate, seek shelter in a strong building's basement. Bring 1 month of supplies with you, as we do not know the size of the asteroid.
Breaking, Justin. An asteroid is to hit the Pacific Ocean in just 2 days. Chaos is erupting in countries surrounding the ocean. I believe we have footage right now.
Important information alert. The European Space Agency is now planning, with NASA, to send a spacecraft to divert the asteroid headed towards the Pacific Ocean. Reminder that the asteroid impact will not hurt the United Kingdom. As we do not know how large the asteroid is, please collect 1 month of supplies. Further updates will be issued through emergency alerts.
Tulad ng maaaring alam mo, ang European Space Agency at ang National Aeronautics and Space Administration ay naglunsad ng isang rocket upang ilihis ang asteroid.
As you may be aware, the European Space Agency and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have launched a rocket to divert the asteroid.
Ang rocket ay tumama sa asteroid ngunit nahati ito sa dalawa na inaasahang tatama sa magkabilang dulo ng Earth.
The rocket hit the asteroid but split it into 2, projected to hit opposite ends of the Earth.
Aalisin ito ang buhay sa Earth.
This will wipe out life on Earth.
Dahil dito, at ang malawakang kaguluhan ay bumagsak ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas.
As a result of this, and the widespread rioting, the government of the Philippines has collapsed.
Paalam, at good luck.
Goodbye, and good luck.
Please pay your full attention to this message as it is imperative to your survival. The spacecraft has successfully hit the asteroid. However, it has split it into 2, which are both around 100 kilometers thick. This has the ability to wipe out life as we know it on Earth. They are estimated to hit southwestern Russia and northern Mexico. These 2 impacts could create earthquakes above 10 magnitude across the globe and create tsunamis 28 kilometers tall. Estimated ETA until their arrivals are 3 days, we were able to slow them down. With our current predictions, you will be most safe in Australia and New Zealand. The presidents, prime ministers, and royals of all countries are being transported to a safe place around Oceania. They will decide on what to do after the event. The U.S. Army are holding flights from all across America to Australia. Those who are able-bodied or valuable to life after the asteroid will be notified of when their flight occurs. If you are not considered useful to the new world, it is recommended you end your own life to avoid the pain of the quakes and waves. A firearm is recommended, although a knife can be used to slit the throat. Children should be taken care of first, assumably during their sleep. This should be done at least 1 hour before it strikes. Reminder that we have 3 days until the asteroids hit. God bless America. We now have 1 hour until impact. If you have not been picked for the new world, end your own life now. This is the final warning before impact. Take care of children first, as said in the broadcast 3 days ago. If you choose to live, keep a radio capable of both AM and FM, as alerts will be broadcast on all frequencies. Impact imminent. This is your final chance to end your own life. Impact imminent. Impact imminent. Impact imminent.
If you are seeing this, you may now leave the safe house. We will restore this planet from 3 million people back to 8 billion. Thanks for watching. This was my first EAS scenario, and I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe so I can make more.